Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use Claude Opus 4.8 to create nice website like this using a website that allows you to use Claude Opus 4.8 for free and VS Code to create this nice awesome website. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to this website miniapps.ai. Okay, you want to use the Claude Opus 4.8. You can get it here. Where is Claude Opus? This one. Now you can use it for free. Okay. Okay, let's say create a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript about the importance of the tree in nature. Okay, and hit send. Okay, start thinking right now. Okay, this is my index.html. Okay, the full code of website, this one. As you can see, it works fast and perfectly. This is our Claude Opus 4.8. Okay, this is the code of the website. Let's go here. VS Code and go here to open folder and let's create a folder on desktop. Rename what we want. Okay, this one and select our folder. After that, let's create inside this folder a file. Rename it index.html. Okay, fine. Okay, now we have to copy. Click this copy and paste right here. After that, Ctrl S to save the work and let's see the result of our work. Okay, double click here. As you can see, this is the work of the Claude Opus 4.9, 4.8, sorry. Okay, as you can see, it's good work, it works perfectly. Okay, this website allows you to use this one. It needs an update, let's update. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.